Welcome to a video teaching you how to use the online math manipulatives number pieces and SeeSaw to capture your students' math understanding and thinking. This lesson was designed for a first grade class that was working on subtraction with regrouping and borrowing. What I enjoy about the number pieces tool is that it has a nice pin feature that will let kids write out their equation and also add to their math thinking by using a pin tool. So this particular equation was 22 minus 8. And the students are going to build out the bigger number using the number pieces in the base 10 blocks. And you see that it is a simple touch and drag interface. So once kids have the initial problem set up, they're going to notice that they do not have enough ones there that they can subtract from. So they've got their problem built and they now know that they need to borrow. So I'm going to do the screenshot keystroke to take a screenshot on the Chromebook because we'll be putting this initial picture along with their finished picture of what they did into SeeSaw. So now when I turn the pin feature off, it'll take the writing away, but when I click on this, turn the pin off, click on that, I can hit that button at the bottom to break those pieces apart. So this is actually showing kids what it means to borrow, that you actually break apart one of those tins so that you can borrow and regroup it. So I'm breaking those apart. And kids will be breaking those apart. And then now I'm simply going to click on and delete 8 of them to give me my finished answer. So now the kids know that the answer is 14. They can erase the question mark, write the number 14 with the pen tool, and then take another screenshot. Picture to make the screenshot keystroke a little bit more visual. It's Control Alt and then the switch window button. Now we have these two pictures screenshotted onto our Chromebook. I want to add them into SeeSaw. So instead of adding a photo, I'm going to go to Files. When I click Files, I'm going to select from the computer, and the screenshots that the kids just took will be right there. So I can select the two most recent screenshots. It's very easy for the kids to delete them if they choose the wrong one. And this is going to add them in there. So those are the two pictures, and I can move whatever one I want forward to be shown first. They're going to be able to toggle back and forth between the two pictures when it is added to the SeeSaw class feed. So now that we have the two pictures, the students can toggle back and forth and look at what they did, and when they're ready, they can hit the record feature to record the process they used to solve this problem. Now that they have processed and reviewed their recording, they can hit the green check mark at the top, and they can add that to their class feed and to their folders in SeeSaw, where they can receive authentic feedback from their students and give their teacher vital information to know just where they are in their math learning. Okay, so you guys are... Oh, that's fine. So you just have to erase it, 26 minus 8. So you're writing the equation out, and then you're building the top number that we're subtracting from with number pieces. Oh, you guys are doing a great job with the trackpad, actually. Put two fingers, these two pointy fingers, on Control and Alt. Press them both down.
Boom, we did it.
Now use your other hand and come up and hit the square with the 3 lines.
From the beginning.
Now press it.
Okay.
Oh, not yet. Press it all at the same time. So one.
Now we go.
There we go. Oh. Try one more time.
So now we need a 10 and how many?
There you go.
2 and then how many?
And so when you see down there, it says screenshot taken. So you did a great job. Subtracting. Nice job. I like that you showed your math. You broke apart that. I love that. And then you marked out the ones you didn't want to do. I love that.
1,
Nice job. Loving all this math thinking that you are doing.
I counted because I counted on my finger and it was 14. I counted by tens and then I know it was.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing how you can use online math manipulatives and SeeSaw to really capture your kids' math understanding and thinking.